Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about two stocks from Raamdeo Agrawal's personal portfolio for the year 2019. Now, as you know, we have started offering channel memberships on Profit and Equities, which entitles you to member-only privileges. Please click on the blue join button below and follow the steps to become channel members. Also, if you like the content that we produce here, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and also if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about these stocks. Now, the first stock on the list is Maharashtra Scooters Limited, which is available at Rs 3910.15 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Raamdeo Agrawal in this particular company stands at 1.47%. The symbol for it is MAHSCOOTER. Now, Maharashtra Scooters Limited primarily is an investment company and is also engaged in the manufacturing of pressure die casting dies, jigs and fixtures among others for 2 and 3 wheelers, primarily for the automobile industry. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, even though the companies around it were capitulating, this company had a consistent upward run. The market cap of the company is 4,468.74 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 64.30 translates into an expensive price to earnings ratio of 60.81, which is also very expensive when compared with the industry PE of 19.87. The price to book ratio of 0.54, however, is dirt cheap. The company's dividend yield is 0.84%, whereas the promoter holding is just above average at 51%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is pledged. Now, the second company on the list is Mithila Financial Services Limited, which is available at Rs 734.15 and the face value for it is 1. The holding for Raamdeo Agrawal in this particular company now stands at 7.43%. It has also risen in the last quarter. The symbol for it is MOTILALOFS. Now, this is a firm which he co-founded. Now, Motila Financial Services Limited is a financial services company focused on wealth creation for its customers such as institutional, corporate, high net worth individual and retail. The company's segments include broking and other related activities, fund-based activities, asset management and advisory, investment banking and also housing finance. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company has not really done much and has been a wealth destroyer. The market cap of the company is 10,695.12 crores, which means that this company is a mid-cap one. The EPS of 20.30 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 36.17, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 38.60. The price to book ratio of 4.64, however, is on the higher side. The company's dividend yield is 1.16%, whereas the promoter holding is a very strong number and stands at 70.29%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is pledged. Now, friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.